Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to TCL 403. First of all, open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. Finally, in this pop-up, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK and tap on Close in the white pop-up at the top. Finally, to get rid of Personalization 1, select History at the bottom of both devices and select wherever you wish to decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window and then choose Receive next to History at the bottom of TCL. Following that, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. In some of those categories, you need to choose Allow again. When you're ready, just click on Send and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you wish to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon right next to Input key on TCL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and last but not least, select Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!